When it comes to camping, it doesn't have to be complicated. Byron and Sammy are out here showing us how simple it can really be. This is camping, the savage way.
Sammy, give us a look at the rooftop tent, pop it open. Let's see how quick and easy it is. So Sammy's gonna unclip them. So this rooftop tent replaces your factory roof rails. You actually remove your factory roof rails, okay, and it bolts to the roof completely. So there's no platform underneath it or roof rails. It literally bolts to it. Okay, so Sammy's gonna quickly pop it open. He's gonna open the rear door. He's gonna stand up, and in 3, 2, 1, he's pretty much set up to sleep. Look at that. So let's have a look up there. So we'll jump in and have a look. Hey Sammy, can you show me one of the trick features of this this tent? So for Wheelhouse, they're actually supplying them to us. So we are reselling them for them. So we supply and fit them in Brisbane. And yeah, so you can order that at savagetech.com.au. Give us a look at this. Go open the sunroof up and show us. Say for instance, it's raining and you want to get in and out. Oh, hello there. Okay, so you jump in through the sunroof and show me how it works, Sammy. Show me what you can do. So you jump in, then you put your... Yeah, because that's a hard panel. And then that's it.
Sleep on here.
And you can have a sleep. Look at that. So Sammy slept in here and I slept on the Senhima rooftop tent. So that's on my car. It's full setup with the awning. So I slept in there all weekend. That was pretty good. All right, so if you want to have a little picnic in the back of the Tank 300, right, you pop this down. Pop this down. Boom, boom, boom. And there you go, you got a little picnic shelf there. Got our water tank on the side here. We've also got a specific water tank that goes in here. They just haven't arrived, so I haven't installed it, so temporary I was running that one. But we'll have these in stock too, so we'll be putting a big water tank in here. We've got like our spotlights in the back. We had them tilted down because we were cooking and stuff. So in the back here, we got the fridge. We've got the roller shutter. The rooftop tent that opens up pretty sick. So I slept in that all weekend. But yeah, that's pretty much what we've been doing. We've got our 270. Show me how hard it is to close, Sammy. Pack up. Yeah? What do? And then you got to put all your flaps in. It's way easier than my tent to pack up. My God. Yep. And then you go push the other flaps in. Nah, there's also a ladder that comes with it that goes on there as well, so you can climb up on the ladder. Your ladder mounts to these two brackets here.
Now we can close this side.
Or you can go through the sunroof. So you got ladder or sunroof, and then you just start clamping it up. And it's even got a glass roof in there too as well, so you can look at the stars at night. So I'll show you, I'll jump up. To see here, it's a glass roof, so you can have a sunroof, so you can look out at the stars. As well as it's got tracks, so you can put like recovery boards or whatever you want to mount on here. As well as it's got 270 awning brackets on it. Sammy wants to show the ladder. So you hook it on, and then that's the ladder, that's how it works. It's as easy as that. There you go, and then you jump into your tent.
You can grab all these products over at our website, savagetech.com.au. From rooftop tents to storage setups, we've got everything to make your next trip easier, tougher, and way more fun. And hey, if you're not sure what gear suits your rig best, shoot us a message. We're always happy to help. Cheers for watching, and we'll catch you out on the tracks.